Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So in order to do this, all you want to do is go to Snapchat. Once you're there, you then want to click on your profile in the top left corner. And then you want to scroll down a little bit underneath Friends and Spotlight and Snapchat Map. You'll then see an option for public profile. Underneath that, you want to select Create Public Profile. Once you've done that, it will then say show your name, so any snaps you send to Spotlight or Snap Map will now show your name. Anyone who views these snaps or lenses will be able to subscribe to your content. And then you can build your public profile, so you can add collections of your snaps from Spotlight, Snap Map, or Camera Roll to help Snapchatters learn more about you. Go ahead and click Get Started and click Create. And now you have a public profile. If I select it, I can then see my username, my name, also preview it from somebody seeing it from a different phone. I can add a cover photo right here in the top right. And there's many different things I can do with my public profile. But this is how you create a public profile on Snapchat. So I hope this video does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.